Shanghai Yinuo Instrument Company Limited was founded in 1993, located in Shanghai, the largest economic center in China, focused on the manufacture of industrial flow measuring instruments, providing measurement technology solutions. Our company has the below holding companies: Shanghai Yinuo Automation Engineering Company Limited, Shanghai Yinuo Corvette Pump Company Limited, Shanghai Yinuo Instrument Panjin Branch, joint ventures in Russia, and sole-funded company in America. Our company covers a total area of 48,000 square meters, with an annual output value of about 400 million yuan. The company has been continuously honored as Shanghai High-Tech Enterprise, AAA Credit Enterprise in 2018, and Shanghai Science and Technology Small Giant Enterprise in 2009. Shanghai Skills Association Traffic Professional Committee Vice Chairman Unit, China Instrument Industry Association Governing Unit. Many products have won the National Key New Product Certificate issued by 4 ministries and commissions. Obtained the ISO 9001 Quality Management System Certificate. The company has continuously obtained domestic and foreign environmental protection certification and more than 100 patent certificates. Our company's core product is mass flowmeter. It was the A63 Public Relations Project, which is the key core product of our company. Ultrasonic gas flowmeter, low pressure, low flow rate, no pressure loss, high accuracy, high pressure flow auto controller, new structure, good control effect, high accuracy and quick discharge calibration, continuous real-time metering of single well metering device, stable metering of crude oil with gas. The oil and gas separation effect of the tri-phase flow metering system is good. High accuracy of oil-water analysis. Real-time and accurate measurement of large oil and water and gas production. Tri-phase measurement of single well and multi-well and confluence well. Quantitative loading system. Safety interlock for accurate oil distribution. Skid-mounted integration convenient and fast. One card unattended system. Improve production efficiency and reduce personnel costs. Each step of the operation process can be monitored in real time. In addition to, our company also produces volume type double rotator flowmeter, volume type square board flowmeter, double entry twin screw pump, temperature and pressure transmitter, general electron flowmeter, electromagnetic flowmeter. My company owns large, medium, and small 3 specifications of automatic pipe bending equipment. By switching different tooling fixtures, it can bend the flow pipe from DN3 mm to DN300. Yinuo has 5 sets of advanced robots welding equipment. Invest millions of yuan on the welding robots. The parameters like welding speed, angle, current, and voltage can be accurately controlled, effectively ensure the stability and reliability of the weld joint. Compared to manual welding, robot welding can ensure the consistency of the welding quality, effectively avoid welding quality problems. To reduce the welding defects, improve the welding accuracy and stability. At the same time, the robot has automatic welding, can realize multiple power types, high efficiency of welding production mode. Continuous welding greatly improves the production efficiency, can meet the requirements of customer on the product quality and delivery time. From 2023 to the present, we have welded more than 6,000 flowmeter housings by using welding robots. Perfect welding quality won the unanimous praise of many customers. The machine shop is where all our parts are produced and has a CNC milling machine machining center, CNC lathe, digital horizontal boring machine, vertical lathe, more than 80 units. Among these equipment, CNC milling machine machining center is the core equipment of our company. It realizes high-precision machining through programming to avoid the error caused by human operation. The processed parts have higher precision, more stable quality, and stronger reliability. Our company has high-precision, fully automated SMT equipment. The device is designed to print circuit boards on PCB boards, mount and weld surfaces accurately, mount components SMT. These components include capacitors, resistances, integrated circuit, and so on. They form the core of the transmitter. SMT mounters accurately install SMT components at extremely high speeds, improved production efficiency, reduce the errors that might be made by manual operation. Posteriorly, Continuous operation does not require constant monitoring by personnel. It increased the utilization rate of the production line. At the same time, the mounter uses an advanced vision system and precise positioning technology, ensure that each SMT component is accurately placed on the PCB. The defective rate of welding plate is controlled below 1/10,000th, fully ensure the high reliability of the production of the transmitter and high stability. Transmitter automatic testing equipment, specially used to detect the performance indicators of the watch head. The equipment is independently developed by our company. It has independent intellectual property rights, high and low temperature experimental equipment, designed for analog and test electronic transmitter, performance and reliability in extreme temperature conditions. Various tests can be carried out on transmitter materials, objects, and finished products in extremely cold or hot environments to ensure the reliability and stability of the flowmeter in field applications. Our company has two sets multifunctional electromagnetic suction vibration table equipment. It can simulate various vibration environments in the operation of the transmitter, can make reliability test and fatigue test on the transmitter to ensure that the flowmeter is in actual use, can adapt to all kinds of harsh environments. Mass flowmeter is the core product of our company. The transmitter has reached the electromagnetic compatibility test standard. Skid Workshop is the production workshop of all equipment and devices. Tri-phase metering devices, quantitative loading and skid, wellhead metering devices. The tri-phase metering devices produced by it can measure the flow rate and content of oil, water, and gas in single well, multi-well, and mixed wellhead. Good separation effect, high accuracy, water calibration device, suitable for calibrating mass flow meters. Electromagnetic flow meter, high pressure flow auto controller. Can calibrate from DN10 to DN300. The water calibration device, like the oil and gas calibration device, implements fully automatic calibration. The hardware construction and software development of the device are independently researched and developed by our company. The automatic calibration device realizes the automatic operation in the calibration process through computer control. It can realize the calibration requirements of different accuracy of flow meters such as 0.1, 0.2, and 0.5. Gas calibration device, used for calibration of ultrasonic gas flow meter. It can calibrate the flow meters from DN25 to DN300. The oil calibration device is used for the calibration of double rotator flow meters and scrape board flow meters. It can calibrate the flow meters from DN8 to DN300. Our company has 10 sales companies. Northwest Sales Company, North Sales Company, Liaohe Office, Northern Sales Company, Xinjiang Office, North Sales Company, Jiling Office, Beijing Sales Company, Beijing Sales Company, Tianjin Office, Beijing Sales Company, Yancheng Office, Northeast Sales Company, Shenli Office, Northeast Sales Company, Daqing Office, Northeast Sales Company, North China Office, Northeast Sales Company, Chongqing Office, Middle East Company, Shanghai Office, Middle East Company, Guangzhou Office, Donglu Sales Company, International Business Company, Business Company, Business Company Oilfield Office, Business Company Shanghai Office, Southeast Company, Skid Company, Skid Company Wuhan Office, International Markets Distribution, mainly in the Russian joint venture market, North American Sole Proprietorship Market, UK and EU Asian Market, Southeast Asian Market, African Project Market, 6 Research and Development Centers, Intelligent R&D Center, mainly responsible for the high-end intelligence promotion of all the products of the company, Mass Flow Meter R&D Center, responsible for the R&D of high-accuracy mass flow meter, Ultrasonic Gas Flow Meter R&D Center, responsible for R&D of ultrasonic gas flow meter, General Electron Flow Meter R&D Center, responsible for high-pressure flow auto controller, Automation R&D Center, responsible for the preliminary design of the skid projects, Design Qualification Certification, Pump R&D Center, responsible for R&D of screw pump. The company's products are widely used in ships, PetroChina, Sinopec, China National Offshore Oil Corporation, China Chemical Industry Corporation, troops, as well as large energy industry. Our products sell well in China and exports to Europe, America, Southeast Asia, Middle East, and other countries and regions. Get the favor of domestic and foreign customers. The company has always attached importance to product after-sale service, fast, accurate, and thoughtful service as the goal. To win customer satisfaction by service quality as the goal, unswervingly take the road of scientific and technological innovative enterprises. Unwavering service oil, chemical, and other energy and environmental protection industry markets. Vigorously expand the international market. Determined to build the world's largest production base of mass flow meters, ultrasonic gas flow meters, and tri-phase metering devices. The work concept of Yinuo staff. The first step is to make a plan. Goal is the core. Ideology and culture must conform to reality. Concept orientation, democratic exploration will lead to unification. Thinking methods take shortcuts. It must be improved by case analysis. Experience becomes wealth. Comprehensive innovation will break through the status quo. Development solves the problems. Quick action must catch the opportunity. Working hard. The participation of leaders is bound to boost the morale. Motivate staff. Continuous progress will reach the goal, accumulate, and become stronger. Centurial quality must be tempered thousands of times. We have the future in hand. The foundation of 100 years depends on the struggle of us all. Yinuo built a dream.